Corpses lined up, including those of women and young children. Ladies and gentlemen, the Myanmar government has released today the full video proof of the massacre of Hindus by Rohingyas. The massacre video shows pits being dug up before the press and government contingents arrive. Tonight, this video is proof of the torture and assault before innocent Hindus are massacred after being blindfolded and their hands tied.
A video that narrates a chilling tale of how Hindus were massacred in Myanmar. Members of an inspection team from Myanmar retrieving dead bodies of Hindus. Men, women, and children who were killed by Rohingya terrorists. Bodies thrown into pits dug in a village close to Rakhine. 17 decomposed bodies recovered from a mass grave. Proof of torture and assault before the massacre of Hindus by Rohingyas.
Republic has been investigated in depth across Myanmar, particularly in the Rakhine state, where Hindu minorities have been in fact mercilessly killed. And our investigation led us to, these videos that have been officially released by the Myanmar government, which clearly indicate how massive search operations are continuing.
This video solidifies India's stand that there can be no compromise with national security, especially for those who have terror antecedents, and some of whom are responsible for butchering innocents.
Myanmar is combating the terrorist elements. Indian agencies have pointed out the risk of elements from among these Rohingyas, illegal immigrants, who may have links with the Lashkar-e-Taiba, ISIS, and the other terrorist organizations like Al-Qaeda. India is for Indians first. Indian security is paramount. And obviously, if we see these kind of things there, we need to do whatever is required to protect India's security and the security of Indians.
So will Rohingya backers who till date have used the humanity argument break their silence on the massacre of Hindus in Myanmar? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Okay, first I want to, we have some more breaking news inputs on this story, and consistently over the last 1 week, we have been putting more and more information out to put the truth out, Abhishek, that the Rohingyas are neither hapless nor helpless. And today we have pictures out here of one of the leaders of the Rohingyas. His name is Abdus Quddus Burmi. And he is one of those Rohingya leaders. And if we take those pictures full frame for just a minute, and we have more information that Abhishek can share with us today. Yesterday we showed you the pictures. If we run this full frame, please. And today we have actually got a video of the Rohingya terrorists who murdered Hindus. But more significantly, what we have today is proof that the Rohingya elements are no peace-loving revolutionaries in Myanmar. They are an affiliate of Pakistani terrorist groups. Look at your screens. The man you see there on the left is Abdus Quddus Burmi. This man is one of the Rohingya Muslims that the hearts of the pro-Rohingya brigade bleed for. And the man to his left is none other than 2611 plotter Hafiz Saeed. And more information is now with Abhishek on this. I also have pictures which I can share with you. This picture has come out in the Myanmarese daily Mizima, which is the multimedia Burmese news organization. And on the right-hand side of your screen, the person you have, his name is Atauta Abu Amar Junjuni. He is the chief of the ARSA, which is the Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army. Let's take those pictures full frame of this gentleman. This group is called the Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army, which masquerades as a group campaigning to achieve basic human rights, but is nothing less than a group led by a Pakistani, Abhishek. The entire Rohingya brigade, the terrorist group, is led by a Pakistani national. And now this Pakistani national who's on the right-hand side of your screen is in fact Abhishek. He is from Karachi. This is no group of innocent Myanmaris. This is a group. This man is from Karachi and he heads the ARSA and he's a Pakistani national. The man on your left is Abdus Qaddus Burmi, who is seen in the pictures with Hafiz Saeed, telling us more from this. And we've had a lot of details. And this gentleman on the left is no more, I'm told, but it establishes the link. It establishes the link. As of now, Abhishek has more on this. Abhishek, let's take the link off today. Let's blow the whale out. Let's establish the links tonight. Yes, please.
Well, Arnab, so these are the links established by our agencies as well. In fact, they come right up to Jammu very worryingly, where they have found that some elements of the Rohingya community in Jammu and Kashmir have active links with the Lashkar-e-Taiba. And the reason is the names you gave, the mentor Abdus Qaddus Burmi and the leader Ataullah Abu Amar Junjani, who also goes by the alias of Hafiz Tohar. And there is this second rung of leader called Sharif, who works out of Rakhine, and he leads a band of about 500 strong cadres who mingle in typical guerrilla warfare with the rest of the Rohingya community in Myanmar, carry out their attacks on the state symbols and agencies, and they meld back into the community of Rohingyas in Rakhine state. Now, these are details which have worried our agencies as well, because despite releasing in press notes that they have no connection with Al-Qaeda, the LET link of the leadership of ARSA, which is Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army, have become very clear. That is something which the Ministry of Home Affairs intends to give to the Supreme Court on 30th of this month, when the next hearing on the Rohingya petition is to take place. So these are very incriminating details about Rohingya link, or the jihadi links of the Rohingyas, and a good number of them in India also connected with the LET or no.
Now, all these facts are known to the pseudos in India, but they have been trying to undermine these facts. They have been trying to play it down. I don't know what agenda they have, but if anybody tells me today they are agendaless, I refuse to believe them. Now the Supreme Court of India must not think that the people of this country are not watching what is going on here. Professor Varshni, Syed Shah Ataf Ali Qadri, Irfan Hafiz Loan, Athar Khan on one side with Anurag Bhadoria, and on the other side, Sandeep Mahapatra, Shubhrashta, and Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP. Welcome into the debate. Is there anything left to debate right now? Professor Varshni, do we have any room for these elements anymore? Why did you spread this lie? Why did you go around saying they're hapless, helpless people, they don't believe in violence? This explains everything. They are led by a Pakistani terrorist. This explains, Shubhrashta, why they've been settling down in Jammu. They say that the train stops at Jammu. It's not. They are being used by the Pakistanis to create a demographic imbalance in Jammu at the earliest. Gaurav Bhatia, I'm coming to you, please. Yes, please. Opening the debate with Dinesh Varshni. Yes, please, and Gaurav Bhatia.
Arnab, let me tell you, no political party in this country
should I
have
go
ever
first?
said that we are not
Dinesh ji
concerned
is,
with the
I
India
think,
security.
dumbstruck today.
He's a bit dumbstruck with the pictures, and he should be. He should be, and I want our viewers also to tell us about what they think about
I
an
hope
expose
better
of
sense
the
will
Rohingya
prevail on
Hafiz
him
Saeed.
now.
That's why I started
Yes,
saying-
Gaurav, go ahead. Gaurav has a counter. Gaurav, please. Gaurav starting the debate. Dinesh Varshni, you are stunned today to react.
Yeah.
After seeing these pictures. Gaurav Bhatia.
Arnab, you know, one thing we need to realize, that there is nothing above the nation. There is nothing above national security, and these videos have now clearly brought out the truth that Rohingya is not a peaceful community the way left and Congress and all other pseudo-seculars are trying to portray them. And I would say that a government is run by rule of law. The Constitution, Article 355 clearly says, Arnab, and I want to read it for the benefit of the viewers, that duty of the union is to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. The left has been ruling West Bengal for almost 3 decades, and we have seen how illegal migrants from Bangladesh settled in West Bengal only because of appeasement politics. And this is what the Supreme Court said when they dealt with the menace of illegal migrants from Bangladesh. This being the situation, there can be no manner of doubt that the state of Assam is facing external aggression and internal disturbance on account of large-scale illegal migration of Bangladeshi nationals. It is therefore becomes the duty of the Union of India to take all measures for protection of the state of Assam from such
Anurag Bhadoria on the right. Anurag.
and internal disturbance as enjoined in Article.
I can't hear him.
So after this, what
गौरव
remains?
आपके
The first
सेंटर
duty
गवर्नमेंट
is
का
towards
स्टैंड
the
क्या है?
citizens of the
आपके
country.
सेंटर गवर्नमेंट का
We
स्टैंड
will
क्या है?
not
एक तरफ आपके
jeopardize
एमपी कहते
the
हैं
life of
कि
even
रोहिंग्या
one
refugees should
citizen
not
of
be
India
deported but
for
should be
the
treated
sake of
humanly.
illegal
ये आपके वरुण गांधी जी
migrants
कहते हैं.
from
सेकेंड
Bangladesh.
आपके मिनिस्टर कहते हैं his views is not in national interest. आपके दूसरी तरफ कहते हैं
मिनिस्टर
आपके
की बात
मंत्री के
सुनी है
नेशनल
किरण
इंटरेस्ट में नहीं है
रिजिजू
वरुण
की।
गांधी का. एक तरफ
देखिए
वरुण गांधी
ये जो
कहते हैं,
आपकी
वरुण जी कहते हैं
तुष्टीकरण
उनको
की
humanly
राजनीति
treat
है
करो.
इसको बंद
पहले
कर
अपना
दीजिए।
stand clear करो.
भारत
आपकी
का
पार्टी के
एक
दो
एक
मिनिस्टर
नागरिक और उसकी
आपस में
जान
clear नहीं है
बचाने
कि
की
उनको
जिम्मेदारी
रोहिंग्याज
केंद्र
refugees के
सरकार
बारे
और
में
श्री
उनको
नरेंद्र
करना
मोदी
क्या
जी
है?
ने
पहले
ली है।
गवर्नमेंट का stand तो
आपने
clear
ली
करो.
है
भाई कितने
तुष्टीकरण
refugees
की
आपके इस देश
राजनीति
में रह
करने
रहे
की
हैं?
40,000 वोट मिल जाएंगे लेकिन चुल्लू भर पानी नहीं मिलेगा डूबने के लिए। ये बात याद रखिएगा मेरी। और आपकी ये जो धर्म की राजनीति है इसको भारत की जनता ने लात मार दी। सोचिए अगर ये रोहिंग्या आके हमारी माँ बहनों के साथ बलात्कार करेंगे
I'll show the pictures of the ARSA chief, please.
तो हम ये
Of the ARSA chief, please.
मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ ये खतरा हम
ARSA chief, please.
The
question is, Anurag Bhadoria चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, मेरी बात सुनिए. Understand, Anurag Bhadoria, look at your screen. Look at your TV screen today.
पार्टी में नहीं है. मेनका गांधी आपकी
इसके
पार्टी
बाद
में
भी
नहीं है.
अर्नब इनकी आंखें
Look at your TV screen today. I want to show the pictures, if I can, of Ataullah Abu Amar Junjuni.
बातें करेंगे तुष्टीकरण की।
I want to show the pictures of Ataullah Abu Amar Junjuni. He is the chief of the Rohingya army. He is a damn Pakistani. He is a damn Pakistani.
एक रात में आप नोटबंदी का
पाकिस्तानी है ये रोहिंग्या के चीफ पाकिस्तानी हैं ये देश के लोगों को पता होना चाहिए the people of this country need to know this the people of this country need to have their eyes wide open today that the chief of the Rohingyas a fully armed terrorist group is a Pakistani who is responsible for the butchering and killing of hundreds of Hindus. He is the man who has carried out the massacre on Hindus in Myanmar, and in our country we are saying that we should be letting these Rohingyas come on our soil. I'm saying, viewers, do you feel secure at the thought that a group of people who is led by this Pakistani terrorist should be allowed on your soil?
आप मेरी मदद करो. भारतीय जनता
Please.
पार्टी क्या मदद करो.
My essential point tonight is this, Anurag Bhadoria, we have two hands up there today. You are cornered today. You need to listen to me a little bit. And my question is please to Shubhrashta and Dinesh Vashni. To Shubhrashta and Dinesh Vashni, please. Dinesh Vashni and Shubhrashta, please. Gaurav Arya. Dinesh Vashni and Shubhrashta, one more time. I mentioned two names on the screen. Thank you. Can I please have them on the screen?
आपके मन में दर्द क्यों नहीं आता कश्मीरी पंडित के लिए वो भी तो भाई हैं हमारे।
Can I have two guests on the screen, please? So please, thank you very much. Anurag Bhadoria, running commentary मत दीजिए. Calm down.
मान लो गौरव भाटिया आपको शर्म
Calm
आनी
down.
चाहिए. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. रिपब्लिक टीवी के पास में फुटेज है. आपके पास आपका इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रहा है? आपका इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रहा है?
बताइए ये देखिए अभी इनको शर्म नहीं आई even when so many Hindus have been massacred
Can we show the
by
footage,
Rohingyas, they are shameless people. They are only worried about your votes. You are the one who should hang your head in shame today.
I am asking
The
you,
central
viewers.
government
अरे
has
यार,
taken
I-
a firm stand. He will not jeopardize
I want Dinesh
He will
Vashni
not threaten the life
and
of the
Shubhrashta to be on the
That
screen.
is the stand of a government. And we will stick by our
अरे
stand.
भैया मैं बोल रहा हूं जब वीडियो
Thank you. It doesn't need to be so sudden. Please, 1 second. Shubhrashta and Dinesh Vashni. I have shown you some facts today. I have presented some truth before you. Now, you were saying since all of last week, Dinesh Vashni, all of you people, Prashant Bhushan, you know, usual suspects. All of you went around and you told people the Rohingyas are helpless. The Rohingyas are helpless. The Rohingyas are hapless. They are innocent people and they are peace-loving. Then the truth started to come out. Truth number one, that the Rohingyas are a violent, bloodthirsty people. Two, that the Rohingyas have carried out massacres in which people fear about 100 Hindus would have been killed, 100 to 200 Hindus are still missing. Point number three, that the Rohingyas are patronized and financed by Hafiz Saeed, Dinesh Vashni. And point number four, and viewers watching this program would realize they would have never seen Dinesh Vashni quiet for so long. Point number four, that the Rohingyas are all led by a Pakistani terrorist whose name is Ataullah Abu Amar Junjuni, who is from Karachi. Now, I don't want a group of people led by a terrorist from Karachi on my soil. If you want Dinesh Vashni, you can invite them home. I have no space for them on our soil. I hope you are seeing reason right now. I hope you are realizing your mistakes now, Dinesh Vashni. I hope you are not going to use the people of this country for your experimental pseudo-liberal politics anymore. And maybe, Dinesh Vashni, you would want to apologize to the people of India for the position that you have taken on Rohingyas, openly compromising national interest. Had we not exposed you, you would have got away with it. Had we not exposed you, you would have brought in another 100,000 Rohingyas and told them, come here, take over my country. But you realize this time that facts and your own conscience, if there's anything left, have come in your way this time. And that is why you are quiet. You're not quiet today because you are genuinely apologetic.
Before I start
You are
speaking-
quiet today because you've realized your game is up. You created a media wave, a pseudo-liberal media wave, and you thought that classical tactic would take you to the
continuing your
Supreme Court.
commentary. How
You
can I
failed. You failed.
Since you are continuing your commentary, how can I speak?
I will continue till you muster the courage
You
to
can
reply.
continue abusing the left. You are meant to abuse the left. You continue to abuse left. You
With
are
what
meant to abuse
face?
the
What
liberal.
left?
You meant to continue that.
What
Until
left?
you allow me to speak, how can I speak?
With
Until you
what
allow me to
face
speak, how
can the
I speak?
Ovaisis, Yechuris and
Because you are
Azam Khans
not
of the
stopping.
world say that Indian lives can be risked to make illegal Pakistani
speak
terror-linked
now?
Rohingyas feel at home in our country?
Can I speak now?
You're most
You have
welcome.
given 2 minutes and 62
You're just confused
seconds,
today.
2 minutes and 42 seconds to Gaurav Bhatia. You have also run the commentary around 2 minutes. Give me only 2 minutes out of 4.5 minutes. One, no political party of this country, at least recognized political party, have ever compromised the security and safety of the country. Number two, we have not said that Rohingyas should permanently stay in India. The CPI says, the Communist Party of India says, the ethnic crisis, because of ethnic crisis, they are in India. As and when they feel secure in Myanmar, they will be going back. Similarly, we said for other refugees, there are refugees from Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, from Pakistan, illegal migrants in Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. There are illegal migrants of Hindu and Muslim both from Bangladesh in Assam. And Chakma refugees in Arunachal Pradesh. And I would like to tell you another thing.
You want an answer? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Why don't you tell Shubhrashta who's sitting there, who is Abdul Qudus Barmi? What are the links of the Rohingyas with the Lashkar-e-Toiba? Shubhrashta, tell her what are the links with the Lashkar-e-Toiba? Be straight with her.
This is nonsense. This is nonsense.
What are the links with the Lashkar-e-Toiba?
This is not nonsense. This is
We will
not
debate on
nonsense.
Rohingyas
The nonsense
tonight and
is
not on
We will debate on Rohingyas. He does not want to debate on Rohingyas now.
Allow this debate to be hijacked
Ram
by the nonsense of vigilantes.
those who says kill all.
Debate on Rohingyas tonight.
We have already bullshitted a lot.
Those who says
Debate on Rohingyas. Debate on the links with Hafiz Saeed. I agree with Shubhrashta.
To care about this argument with a couple of facts.
against terrorists,
These
those who have never fought
nonsensical people
against
with
terrorists,
their stupid
those who have never
editorials
participated
have been writing
in
and
India's
writing
independence struggle,
about
sitting in the lap of
Islamophilic
the
nonsense.
Maharani
May
of
I please
India,
bring in some
Maharani
facts
of
to the
Britain.
table tonight?
We have never said.
What did you do in the emergency?
For India.
Mr. Barsane, before pointing fingers, look within.
You have been supporting the terrorists all along. You have supported terrorists and international activities here in this country.
One of you at a time. Sandeep,
These guys
Sandeep, please. Shubrashta, let Sandeep take on Dinesh Vashni tonight. And let Sandeep take on Dinesh Vashni tonight. And I'm asking one second, Shubrashta. Tonight the pseudo-liberal lobby will be extremely uncomfortable. They will not want to watch this debate. And Dinesh Vashni realizes today that he's been thoroughly exposed. Answer me tonight. Dinesh Vashni, don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. We won't be cowed down.
You discuss about the issue. You discuss about the issue and you discuss.
NSCNK, PLA,
You can continue your cannot.
I am openly asking the people of India tonight. I am openly asking the people of tonight, what is our fault? I am openly asking the people of India tonight, what is our fault? Shubrashta, give me a minute. Calm down, Shubrashta and Professor Vashni. Viewers, the hashtag is Rohingya Hafiz Link. Please speak up, don't be quiet tonight. It is your responsibility to speak up, otherwise these Rohingyas will enter every Indian city and try to take it over. My question tonight is simple. I don't trust them. 1 second, Shubrashta, give me a minute. No, give me a minute. Okay, let's one of you at a time.
This is not the way.
One of you at a time. Shubrashta first, full frame.
Siding politics, extremely shameless comment.
Shubrashta, please.
That you are supporter of terrorism. You are supporter of terrorists and you are repeating the same here.
हमारे यहाँ कश्मीरी पंडित ethnic crisis का शिकार हुए हैं। आज तक किसी
बेरोजगारी का
नेता के आंसू नहीं निकले कश्मीरी पंडितों के लिए। आप लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आप जाते किसी ऐसे चैनल पर जहाँ पे इकोनॉमी की बात हो रही थी, क्यों आए हैं रोहिंग्या पे बात करने?
वामपंथी गाली खाना लायक है, गाली खाना लायक है, इसलिए गाली दे रहे हैं आपको। आप गाली खाना ही लायक है और कुछ नहीं है। देश की धरती आपको रिजेक्ट कर चुकी है, आप गाली खाने लायक है, इस देश में रहने लायक नहीं है।
संदीप बोलने दीजिए शुभ्राष्टा को, उसके बाद आऊंगा आपके पास।
रिजेक्ट कर चुकी है।
Dinesh Vashni, can I be on screen? Only me on screen now for a while. Only me for a while, please. First thing, मैं दिनेश वाशनी को कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. Dinesh Vashni, you have dropped your mic. Can someone tell him? Can someone tell him in the Delhi studios? Can anyone of my studio panelists go to him and put his mic back, please? 1 second, please. Dinesh Vashni, you have dropped your studio mic. Can any of the panelists in Delhi tell Dinesh Vashni, who's not listening to me? Okay, let any of the studio camera people please go in and put his mic back, please. I don't mind if they come in the middle of the frame. My question is simple tonight. Viewers, I take a pause and मुझे देखिए, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू दिनेश वाशनी, आपका माइक गिर गया है, आपका माइक गिर गया है।
मैं जब आप बोले मैं नहीं बोला, जब गौरव भाटिया बोले मैं रुक गया, अब मेरे बीच में बोले, आप मुझे बताइए कौन अनसिविलाइज्ड है, कौन क्राउड आउट करना चाह रहा है हमें, कौन डरा रहा है हमें, कौन मारना चाहता है, कौन देश की सुरक्षा को खतरा है, कौन देश की
इंटेलेक्चुअल टेररिज्म करने वाले डर की बात करते हैं। आप लोग इंटेलेक्चुअल टेररिज्म करने वाले डर की बात करते हैं। आप इंटेलेक्चुअल टेररिज्म करने वाले आज डर की बात करते हैं। आप एक्सपोज हो गए। यू हैव नथिंग टू से।
देश का सबसे बड़ा खतरा, देश का सबसे बड़ा खतरा, एक धर्म की बात, देश का एक सबसे बड़ा खतरा जो संप्रदायवाद की बात करता है, देश का बड़ा खतरा एकता को खतरा है, देश का सबसे बड़ा खतरा जो अंग्रेजों के साथ बैठा था,
पूरे के पूरे तरह देश के खतरे हैं आप। आपने अपनी पॉलिटिक्स वेस्ट बंगाल में दिखा दी, असम में दिखा दी, आप क्या बात करेंगे? केरल में चले जाइए, आपके सभी जगह लिंक्स होते हैं ISI के और आप लोग बात करते हैं।
ISI तो अमेरिका ने क्रिएट किया, आप जाते हो बार-बार अमेरिका, आपके प्रधानमंत्री जो बार-बार अमेरिका जाते हैं, आपके प्रधानमंत्री अमेरिका ने ISI किया, अमेरिका ने तालिबान पैदा किया, अमेरिका ने तालिबान पैदा किया, अब तो रिसर्च आ गई है, अब तो रिजल्ट आ गई है, अब तो ये रिजल्ट आ
गुना
गई।
छोटी हूं मैं, फिर भी कह रही हूं आपके इस पूरे नैरेटिव को खारिज किया है मैंने। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसर बताते हैं आप अपने आप को, आपकी इस पूरी पॉलिटिक्स और इंटेलेक्चुअल टेररिज्म को हमारे जैसे युवाओं ने
हम
खारिज
इंटेलेक्चुअल
किया है।
टेररिज्म नहीं
अरे
करते,
छोड़िए, रहने
आप
दीजिए।
टेररिज्म करते हो।
Facts देखिए सर,
आप इंटेलेक्चुअल टेररिज्म के नाम पे आप देश में संप्रदायवाद फैला रहे हो।
सुनिए तो
आप संप्रदायवाद
आप
फैला
कर
रहे हो।
लेंगे बात संप्रदायवाद पे, आज रोहिंग्या पे बात करने दीजिए।
रोहिंग्या पे भी वही
आरसा
करेगा।
कैडर है, सुनिए सर,
रोहिंग्या पे भी वही करेगा।
आरसा कैडर का
बोलने को
स्ट्रेंथ
कह रहे
आज
हो
10,000 है। इनके पास जो आर्म्स है वो 2500 की आर्म्स है, और हमारे देश में जो NSCN-K है, PLA है, उल्फा है, उसकी कार्डर स्ट्रेंथ पता है ना अर्नब सर की क्या है? उनकी कार्डर स्ट्रेंथ 100 से भी कम है। लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं NSCIN, PLA और उल्फा को? क्या उनके इमोशनल रेटरिक में आकर हम उनको पनाह देते हैं? सुनिए सर, सच सुनने की हिम्मत रखिए प्रोफेसर वार्ष्णेय। हम उनको इंसर्जेंट्स बुलाते हैं।
5 साल के बच्चे
We
को
do not
तकलीफ
take
देने जा रहे हैं।
risk
वीडियो
despite
ये रहा,
their romantic
वीडियो है,
ideology।
वीडियो है,
हमारे
ट्रेनिंग
पास
के
भी
लिए
वीडियो
चक्कू
है
से,
सर,
बंदूक
इनके
से,
कत्लेआम का
तलवार
वीडियो
से।
है।
ये कहां से है?
ये जो
हम कहते हैं
आईसिस,
लाठी से
ये
ट्रेनिंग,
जो आईसिस
ये अपने
है ना,
वॉलंटियर्स को
ये
ये
जो
देते हैं
आईसिस
बंदूक
है ना,
से।
उनका क्लास
अनुराग भदौरिया on the right।
रोमानिया की, पाकिस्तान की, चाइना की, म्यांमार की, वर्मा की, पता नहीं किसकी बात कर रहे हैं। खुद की लड़कियों को लाठियों से पीटते जाओ।
ये शुभ्राष्टा well spoken, but if I may just invite the attention to the visuals that we are putting on ourselves, and yesterday अनुराग भदौरिया आप अपने आप को बेवकूफ बनाना चाहते हैं, तो मैं कहूंगा राजनीतिक कारणों से आप कर रहे हैं ये सब। Look at the video that we have there today. The video is not shot by Republic TV. The Republic video is being shot by Aung San Suu Kyi's government. आपने देखा नहीं पूरा video? Go to the YouTube and find the video. I'll put the pictures on air and I'll tell you what I saw. I saw pictures there that I wouldn't deny.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को बताओ, इस पे एक्शन ले। इस पे हमारे आपके गाल बजाने से कुछ नहीं होगा। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को एक्शन लेना होगा।
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट तो एक्शन ले रही है।
रोहिंग्या के ऊपर उसका व्यू क्या है?
आप इसको पोलिटिसाइज और कॉम्युनलाइज कर रहे हैं। आप जैसे लोग उसको पोलिटिसाइज और कॉम्युनलाइज कर रहे हैं। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट इनटू द डिबेट राइट नाउ संदीप महापात्रा एंड अतर खान। संदीप महापात्रा एंड अतर खान, देखिए संदीप महापात्रा एंड अतर खान on two sides of the debate. Please let me moderate the debate with the panelists who I am choosing right now and calling. The question tonight is, when the illegal Rohingyas, that the pro-Rohingya brigade want to roll out the red carpet to include the likes of a man known as Sharif, who despite belonging to Chittagong in South Bangladesh speaks with a Pakistani accent. And when the leader of the Rohingyas, Sandeep, 1 minute, when the leader of the Rohingyas is a man called Ataullah Abu Amar Junjani. He's the leader of the Rohingyas. He's a terrorist. He's a Pakistani. Today the pseudo-liberal brigade चाहती नहीं है ये बात हम लोगों को कहे कि जो रोहिंग्या के मेन लीडर हैं, जो आतंकवादी लीडर है, वो पाकिस्तानी है, कराची से हैं। झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं लोगों को? ये सब ह्यूमैनिटेरियन मिशन है। मुझे बताइए कराची से म्यांमार कैसे पहुंचे? कैसे पहुंचे? पैसा कहां से आया? हफीज सईद ने कितने पैसे दिए? आप मुझे बताइए आज अतर खान, डीपर लिंक्स के बारे में, डीपर लिंक्स के बारे में बताइए अतर खान।
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but tell me the deeper links.
Yeah, can you hear me, Arnab?
The Arsa was originally named Haraka al-Yaqin. True or false?
Yeah, Arnab, what footage you are showing from the Myanmar government? What footage you are showing from the Myanmar government? I wonder why the Myanmar government is not inviting all the United Nations and all the media to take the footage.
So that they can
and
know
why
the truth.
are you believing their footage when they are not inviting you to take the footage?
It doesn't suit them. People like...
And why are you believing them?
They have supported the terrorists
if they are
in
so
India.
truthful,
Remember,
if they are so truthful, they should invite... They should invite the United Nations, they should invite the Human Rights Watch, they should invite the Amnesty International, they should invite Republic TV, they should invite all the media.
So
why have they prevented them?
Be it in Kashmir, be it in the northeast,
my question is, why have they prevented them? And the second question is, 500 Rohingya families, 500 Hindu Rohingya families have fled. 500 Hindu Rohingya families. 500.
Atar, I have a very elementary question to you. Just a minute. Just a minute.
People are going to speak like this, then no one
I'd
will
like,
be able to
I'd
tell
like,
anyone.
That's what they have been doing here now.
Athar, 1 minute.
Last
Just a
15
minute.
days-
Just Sandeep, wait a while.
last 15 days
Sandeep,
of
wait a while.
the
Sandeep, wait a while.
narrative that was
Just wait a
built.
while. I have one simple question to ask you, Athar. And I want you to be reasonable about it. Remember, this is not a Hindu-Muslim issue.
Yes, Arnab.
This is an issue, Athar, of national security. I have only two questions of you. One is, why do all these Rohingya leaders have the open support of the Lashkar-e-Toiba? And question number two, how is the leader of the Rohingya terrorist movement a man from Karachi? Can you answer me, please?
Sure. See, there can be people who can have any connection with any terrorist organization.
No.
But what we are concerned about is 4,80,000 Rohingya people have fled from since August 25.
Shubhrashta
and
will respond to
60% of them are children. They have fled to Bangladesh.
Shubhrashta will respond to you.
So you are telling me that these 60% children who have fled to Bangladesh from
This
Myanmar,
whole women
they are
and children
terrorists.
argument has been pandered
Just because
to
one
us,
or two people have connections
shown
with
in our
any
face
terrorist
so many
organization,
times.
that
And I
doesn't
think
mean
these gentlemen forget
what you are telling.
that these gentlemen
And if
forget to
Myanmar
do a
government is
simple
so
search
concerned
on
about
Google,
the Hindus,
which says women
why
terrorists
500
blowing themselves
Hindu
up. They
Rohingyans
just,
have
this
fled
women
The-
card and
from
children
Myanmar
card
to
is not
Bangladesh?
play.
The-
All
Why have they fled?
we need to have a certain
Why
figures
didn't they
and
ask the
facts on
Myanmar
table
government to give
tonight.
justice?
The UNHCR chief, they talk about ethnic cleansing. This is the same textbook
My
language that
question to
people
you,
like
Arnab,
Professor
is
Varshney come and
why
ban
the
from.
Myanmar government is
this
not
ethnic
protecting the
cleansing does
Hindu
not mention
Rohingyas?
Hindus. This
Why
ethnic
Hindu
this ethnic
Rohingyans,
cleansing is
500
only-
Hindu Rohingyan
is
families
only relevant
have fled
when it
from
when it fits
Bangladesh,
their very cute
Athar,
narrative of
have fled
Muslims
from
being
Myanmar
killed.
to Bangladesh.
And I'm sorry, Arnab,
Why?
till yesterday I believed in the fact
Why they are
that
not
this
giving
is not
protection?
about religion, but today I dare
Why
today
these
I
footages
dare
are
to put it
revealed
out on
now?
national television. This is
Why
definitely
United
about
Nations
religion,
was
Arnab.
not invited?
ISIS, the Rohingya
And as
Muslims
far as
today
the-
are the new
as far as
ISIS.
the terrorist
India
connection
does
of
not
Rohingya,
need to deport them.
40,000
India
Rohingyans
needs to
are still
launch a
living in India.
counter-offensive against them.
you know,
These
you-
are the same
And
people,
You know,
Arnab,
this
who-
this is not
who
a
There was an
murder
this is
women
this
by
is not a
Hamas
this is
channel.
not a
These are the same.
I
these are the same
just
Muslims,
want
who have
and
been raping
Shubhrashta,
Hindus
now I bring back
5,700
I bring back
odd
Gaurav Bhatia
Rohingyans,
into the
they live in
debate.
Jammu.
Shubhrashta, 1 minute, just one. You see, let's come back to the core issue. And what is the core issue today? Some facts, some visuals, some evidence, some photographs.
Arnab,
Just a minute. Gaurav, I'm coming to you. Gaurav, I'm coming to you. Gaurav, I'm coming to you. Just let me complete my sentence. Gaurav, I'm giving the floor to you.
Threat. And the core issue is Rohingyas are to be deported as per the rule of law. And let me add to that, Arnab. Allow me 1 minute. This is very important for the debate. The Supreme Court in Sarbanda
How can they be
Sonowal
deported
case
as per the rule of
have
law?
highlighted 5 reasons why illegal migrants should not be allowed in India. And I am sure panelists will listen to me. A, because the Supreme Court says that these
First of all, how can you call them
migrants in the
illegal
case of
immigrants?
Assam they bring about a perceptible change
How can you
in the
call them
demographic
illegal
pattern.
immigrants?
2, they reduced Assamese to a minority in their own state. C, they contributed.
Mr.
They are a
Bhatia, how can you
contributing
call
factor
them
behind the
illegal
outbreak
immigrants?
of insurgency, which is very dangerous. D, illegal migration undermines
Mr.
our
Bhatia.
national security. And last but not the least, because
How can you
illegal
call them
migrants'
illegal immigrants?
willingness to work at low wages has deprived Indians of employment.
Why you're making a fish of one and foul of
5
another?
reasons Supreme
Sir,
Court has given.
the
And I
point
say,
tonight
what
is, and
more
you know,
proof do need?
Gaurav,
There was
Gaurav.
Abdul Rahman Arkani.
Arnab.
He was killed
Arnab.
in Anandpura. He was a
Arnab.
terrorist. Now he had link with the Rohingyas.
You know,
Arnab, how can Mr. Bhatia
we must
call
to Hafiz Sayyed.
Athar, may I,
as illegal immigrants?
Athar, may I? Of course they are illegal immigrants. Of course. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, Athar, I don't know what kind of terminology you would like to use here.
Why are you making a fish of one and foul of another?
Athar, of course. Athar, 1 minute. Gaurav,
India doesn't need it as a country.
Arnab, can I respond?
No. Athar, first of all, all, just
Can I respond?
No. 1 minute. You were speaking throughout, Gaurav. But understand this.
Yeah, can I respond?
These Rohingyas who have entered
500
India have
Rohingyans,
entered
500
India
Hindu Rohingyans,
illegally,
they fled from
and hence
Bangladesh.
they are illegal immigrants or infiltrators.
Should Bangladesh
There
call
are-
them illegal immigrants or refugees? You tell me.
Well, anyone who enters from
Arnab,
Myanmar through
you tell me,
Bangladesh
should
and through
Bangladesh
Bangladesh
call
to
these 500
Athar.
Hindu Rohingyan families as illegal immigrants or refugees?
Athar,
Okay,
I will
what-
answer you.
what exactly
Athar,
are
I will
you
answer
saying?
you if you let
Arnab,
me.
let us
No,
understand.
Gaurav, the
Should
question was
Bangladesh
to me.
follow India?
Gaurav, the question was to me. Can I answer it, please? Gaurav,
Why
may I?
Why
terrorist attack in
Pakistani
India? That is what you want.
Hindus,
because they belong
Bangladeshi
to one
Hindus,
particular
Tibetans,
religion
Sri
with
Lankan
which you have
Tamils,
sympathy.
why they are not referred as
Will
illegal
religion
immigrants?
prevail
Why
or
are they
constitution
referred
prevail?
as refugees?
Will national
And why
interest
Rohingyas
prevail
are referred
or your
as
brotherhood will prevail?
illegal immigrants? Why are you making a fish of one and fowl of another? I don't understand this.
Why don't you first talk about Indian citizens?
Why
don't
Pakistani
you talk about
Hindus,
Kashmiri
Bangladeshi
Pandits,
Hindus,
their rights?
Tamilians,
Where does your humanity go then?
Chakmas,
You please tell me.
Hajongs.
No.
Why
Leave-
these
leave
people are
the
referred as
Bangladeshis,
refugees
leave the Rohingyas.
and-
Let's talk about our Indian brothers and sisters. Kashmiri Pandits.
Why they are referred
don't
as
you talk
refugees
about
and
their
why
rights?
Rohingyas
Why
are
does your
referred as
humanity not prevail
illegal
then?
immigrants? Come on.
Arey, you talk about Kashmiri Pandits.
What if
They are
Bangladesh
still
call
waiting for
500
their
Hindu
rights.
Rohingyan
Athar.
families who have fled over their
Athar.
border as illegal immigrants?
Athar, have
Should they
you-
call them illegal immigrants or
Athar,
refugees?
Athar, the simple answer to your
Why
question, Gaurav.
Pakistanis?
पहले आप pseudo
Gaurav,
secularists
just give me,
थे,
just give me,
आज
Gaurav,
आप
Gaurav,
traitor हैं.
Gaurav,
From
Gaurav.
pseudo-secularist, you have
Gaurav.
converted into a traitor now.
Gaurav,
I
first
want
of
the
all, I'd
answer-
like
I
to
want
thank
answer
all the
from Gaurav.
viewers
You
of
are-
the debate tonight for the great response that they are giving to our expose on the Hafiz Saeed Rohingya link. And that itself is the answer to your question, Athar. If you have the damn patience to listen to me while I say it, all of these groups who you mentioned do not have proven links to terrorist groups in Pakistan. And Pakistan is an enemy state for us. Maybe not for you, but for me it is. So anybody who takes patronage and funding and terrorist leadership from Pakistan is not a refugee. The person is a terrorist and an infiltrator. Is that a good enough answer for you?
180 million Muslims are living in India.
I am.
if
Don't
some
bring
Muslim is
the
having a
Muslim
terrorist
angle.
link in
Why do you
Pakistan,
keep bringing
do
the
you
Muslim
blame the
angle?
180 million
Subhra,
Muslims?
there he goes again. Again, you bring the
180
Muslim
million
angle. Gaurav
Muslims are
Bhatia.
living in India.
Like it's the last card. It has nothing to do with
This
Muslims.
country has given you everything.
Every
From
time
your
you bring in the
passport
Muslim angle.
to your house, to food, to employment, and you can't think about the country. What kind of a man are you? Think about the country, leave the religion. It is
Myanmar
nation
government
first,
is not
and then
discriminating
religion,
between
sir.
Hindus and the Muslims.
It is nation
No
first.
education,
India
no
first.
health service,
If
Okay,
India
tomorrow-
survives, then you will survive.
no service, no government jobs,
Tomorrow, no, 1 second.
rapes, killings.
Gaurav,
This is what is being
Gaurav,
done.
a minute. Athar will respond, and before
And
that,
in India, 40,000
before that, while I'm
Rohingyas
debating
are
this,
living, and NDTV has
NDTV. What did you say?
NDTV.
And
Yes, NDTV has given a report of 40,000 Rohingyans living in India.
you know, now
Yeah.
finally, Arnab, you know, we all know where the bad stuff is
And
coming
Mehbooba
from.
Mufti has said, no Rohingya in Jammu and Kashmir has found
Suddenly the
involved in
truth comes
militancy-related
out. Like
incidents.
the Hafiz Saeed
1,000
picture,
Rohingyas
the
are
truth
living in
comes out
Delhi.
again.
1,000 Rohingyas are living in Delhi,
No,
and
Arnab,
Delhi
there
police
are
says there are no FIRs registered.
He said,
Right.
He
Don't
said,
laugh like a fool.
he said NDTV.
Okay. So
That's
you
all
don't
right.
believe in
Now,
the Supreme
anyway.
Court judgment.
Let's
You
go
don't
on.
believe in Constitution of India.
So
You
you
I
don't
have
disrespect
no
NDTV.
comments.
that you
No
give
You
comments.
them
don't, you
another
don't
chance.
believe in NDTV, you disrespect NDTV. Okay, come out open and say. If I read a report from NDTV, so you disrespect it.
No, we
you
respect
disregard
the
it.
media.
You don't believe in it, and you laugh at it.
But we are just
Amazing.
laughing at your ignorance.
I'm not saying
No.
a thing.
I can
Yes,
see
sir.
that
Laugh at
what
your
respect you are
ignorance.
giving it.
I'm not saying a thing, did I? It's a democracy. I wish.
1,000
You have to earn respect. You don't have to
Rohingyas
demand
are living in
respect.
Delhi.
Fantastic.
No report of FIR.
I did not say a
No
word.
report of FIR.
I did not say a word.
6,000
Otherwise
Rohingyas
tomorrow,
are in
listen,
Jammu. No report of militancy.
Athar, listen,
You give
Athar,
me
Athar,
any- you give me
Athar,
40,000 Rohingyas
आप
are
भोपाल में
living
बैठे
in
हो,
India. You
सुनिए,
give me one
अतर
connection
जी,
of militancy
अतर भाई साहब, आप मेरी
of-
बात सुनिए,
out
अतर
of
खान जी,
these 40,000
अतर खान जी, अतर खान जी,
Arnab ji,
देखिए,
please.
देखिए,
Arnab
अतर
ji,
खान जी,
please.
2 मिनट सुनिए, आप भोपाल से अभी लाइव हैं,
जी
ना, आप भी भोपाल से, मैं मुंबई से हूँ, और मैंने स्कूल जबलपुर से की,
जी आप बॉम्बे से
तो हम लोग नहीं जानते हैं, मगर अगर आप बोलेंगे कि आपने एनडीटीवी पे आपने क्यों हंसा, तो फिर लोग कल लुटियंस ब्रिगेड उसी के बारे में लिखेंगे, मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएंगे कल कि उन्होंने एनडीटीवी का नाम लिया और वो हंस रहे थे। आजकल उनकी हॉबी है ना। तो लेट्स गो बैक टू द सब्जेक्ट। सब्जेक्ट इज दिस अथर, इट्स अ सीरियस सब्जेक्ट, फ्रिवोलस बातें नहीं करते हैं।
अतर से मेरा एक सवाल है।
नहीं मैं कैन आई से समथिंग? गौरव लिसन, गौरव 2 मिनट। माय क्वेश्चन, मेरा भी सवाल है, क्योंकि ये सारा कॉन्सेप्ट जो ये है, ये शुभ राष्ट्र कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हमारा देश बहुत महान देश है और हमारे देश में अतिथि देवो भव, और रोहिंग्या टेररिस्ट अतिथि देवो भव। टुडे यू वांट इट अतिथि देवो भव, आप कल बोलेंगे हाफिज सईद अतिथि देवो भव, कसाब अतिथि देवो भव, और tomorrow Dinesh Varshni and others will come out and say that Masood Azhar Atithi Devo Bhava, right? And you will say Abu Ismail.
Please shut up.
No.
Shut up, Arnab Goswami. Shut up, Arnab Goswami.
Now I don't respond to that kind of language. I'm using an analogy.
We have never said that Hafiz Saeed Atithi Devo Bhava.
These were the same.
Shut up your language, Arnab Goswami.
By the same logic,
and I will not tolerate this thing.
by the same, I don't want my country.
Terror attacks by Muslims.
I don't want my country to become a legal haven for terrorists.
You withdraw your word.
The more we expose these intellectual terrorists
shut up.
and urban
You are
Muslims
speaking
are
out
going
of
to be,
language.
and this
You are
is the
speaking out of
language
language.
the government of
I will
India
never
report
like
speaks,
this.
which was compiled
No.
during the
You have to
UPA
just shut up.
government. Please,
You have
by
to
all
withdraw your
means,
word.
boycott
Where did I
events
say
where you are exposed.
Where did I
But do
say
not
any
take facts
terrorist
for
is
hostage.
Atithi Devo Bhava?
In
Where does it?
2013,
CPI has
both
fought against
Gaya,
terrorism in
India saw a
Punjab.
gruesome
RSS ran away
terrorist
from
attack.
there. CPI fought against
Arnab, these intellectual cabals keep bringing in the mention.
Not at all.
All right, 1 second. Sandeep Mahapatra. Sandeep is saying something to you. Dinesh Varshni, Sandeep कुछ कहना है आपको?
Today,
This
in
is
West
not the way to
Bengal,
debate.
please by all means,
is not the way
an
to debate.
intellectual terrorist, an
this is
urban
your wrong
Naxal,
language.
thieves
Irfan
that
Hafiz
are
law.
being
You have
exposed
to withdraw it.
actually
Sorry to say.
You
on
have to
how
withdraw it.
these
Sorry to
guys
say.
have been
You
collectively
have to withdraw
against
it.
national
Sorry to
conscience,
say.
Condemnable
national
language.
security,
You have a
the
canard
voice of
against
the
it.
youth.
Make it a
You are
dramatic.
pro-BJP.
You have
By-
been nailed.
You are
Your
pro-BJP.
lies
There
have
is
been
nothing
exposed.
wrong in being
And therefore-
pro-BJP, sir.
and therefore
There
you
is
are jumping
nothing
like
wrong
this.
in being pro-BJP.
Mr.
There is
Varshney, there is
nothing
no
wrong
question
in
of
taking
you
a
have to
political
withdraw your
position.
vote. I condemn your language.
You can,
You
you
guys
please go
condemn
do
your
your candid
language.
marches.
If this is-
Do
Dinesh
your
Varshni,
candid
I'm
marches.
sorry.
Sit
Dinesh
and
Varshni, you must
go
first
through
understand.
these
You
drama.
must understand what I'm
Go
saying.
through this
That you will
drama.
call a
Okay,
terrorist.
you must understand what I'm saying to you. First, you understand what I'm saying to you.
You have to
This
withdraw
For you understand, if you don't hear me,
withdraw your language.
This
Shubhrashta, let me say something to Dinesh Varshni. Dinesh Varshni, Shubhrashta, I'm saying something to Dinesh Varshni, please. देखिए, Dinesh Varshni, I'm saying something to you, listen to me.
Do not stop
First,
me.
Shubhrashta, can I say something to him? Shubhrashta, can I say something to him?
First, you have to withdraw your language.
But first you have to listen to me.
Withdraw your language.
But first you have to listen to me. But first you have to listen to me.
Which has rejected my
But first you must listen to me, sir.
You know history.
But पहले आपको सुनना तो पड़ेगा मेरी बातों को.
Not from my party. Dhruv Saxena is not from my party. From Bharatiya Yuva Morcha, BJP.
Arnab, we need to
Where are
understand
you going,
this. This
Mr.
is the
Varshney?
cabal.
It is a fact.
To the topic.
Sir, Dange was from your party.
It is a
This
fact.
is the problem.
Sir, Dange was from your party. What was your party's position during the emergency, sir? What was your party's position during the emergency, sir?
Yes.
That's what I asked him.
What was your party's position during the emergency, sir? बोल दीजिए आज हमारे.
Arnab,
I will answer you. First you withdraw your language.
First you tell me what was your party's position during the emergency, sir.
Or then I will answer your question.
You answer my
I
question
will
today.
answer your
What was
question.
your party's
I will
position
answer
during the
your question.
emergency? Well, I
You are
want to
not
talk
telling
about
me what
Rohingyas, but you are changing
We
the
are calling
subject.
it
Why are you
something
changing the
else.
subject?
either you
Subject
join
you
the
change
debate
करें आप आज.
or not. Don't do this.
No. You are changing a subject.
Dramatics.
You are changing a
I'm
subject
really
now.
sorry to say.
I
you're
allege
trying
you.
to hijack-
You are changing a subject.
I don't change my
No,
subject.
you are alleging a subject.
I don't change
You
any
are changing
subject.
a subject.
I want to say something to Dinesh Varshni. Dinesh Varshni को कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ मैं.
It is undemocratic You are for BJP. No.
I am saying something to Dinesh Vash. You can say what you want.
I will not come.
Your cabal is exposed.
I am going back to the subject of Rohingyas.
No. How do you say that we are for terrorists? How do you say that we are for terrorists? You withdraw your language. Withdraw your language.
I want you to understand the simplicity of what I have said. Shubhrashta, I request you. Shubhrashta, I request you. I'm requesting you, Shubhrashta. Give me 30 seconds, please. I'm making a point here. I can't speak over you, please. Just give me 30 seconds here, please. My question is very simple. And you need to listen first, Dinesh Vashni.
No.
I am saying that today,
Will you please withdraw your word? No, Anjab Goswami. You withdraw your word.
I won't withdraw.
Your language is objectionable. I condemn you on
I have not said anything objectionable.
We are a national political
I
party.
have said that
We are
today, if you
fought
want
for India's
humanity
independence.
towards the
We
right
are
of
against
Abdus
terrorism.
Burmi,
We are
tomorrow you will say
against
Hafiz Saeed should also be given a celebrity welcome in our soil. Today, I am saying, will those who bat for the massacre of Hindus by Rohingyas? No. Today you must understand we have no space for people who can potentially cause terrorist incidents in India. Whether they are Kasab or Rohingyas.
Withdraw your language.
वो रोहिंग्या हो, कसाब हो,
What? I say you withdraw
what are
your
you saying?
language.
I have a
No,
right to speak
you have
my
to
mind,
withdraw your
sir.
language.
I have a right to speak my mind. You have a right to speak your mind. You and I may never disagree, but that's what our democracy is all about. But the left wing cannot say, left cannot say that no other point of view in this country can exist.
We have fought against communism.
Sir, today, I am saying today, I cannot allow India to be giving a safe haven to people who have links with the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
I will not tolerate you.
You can't have people links with the Lashkar-e-Toiba on our soil. Sir, you are being intolerant to me.
But it is Dhruv Saxena who has a link with the ISI. It is the Dhruv Saxena who has a link with the ISIS. Have you ever read
Sir,
it
the
in your
Rohingya
television?
groups have links with the
Have you ever
LET,
read it in
sir.
your television?
The Rohingyas have links with the
LET
LET.
from there? Where is the case?
The Rohingyas have links with the LET,
No.
sir.
First you withdraw your word.
So how can I
First you
withdraw a
withdraw
fact?
your word.
The Rohingyas have links with the
Goswami,
LET.
Please withdraw your word.
Sir, there is nothing to withdraw.
You withdraw your word.
Sir, you have your point of view, I have mine.
We will not tolerate. You have alleged left, we will not tolerate.
Sir, you withdraw your
First
support
you
to the
withdraw your
emergency.
word.
Gaurav Bhatia is this morning. Gaurav Bhatia.
We don't support any terrorist
दिनेश जी आप बहुत नाराज हैं कि अर्नब ने
We don't support any terrorist organization.
ठीक नहीं लगा
In a
ये
way,
कह
you
रहे
are
हैं ना।
prompting terrorism. In a way,
Gaurav
you are
Bhatia is saying something and then we close.
terrorism.
Gaurav is saying something and we close.
एक मिनट बात करना
You are
चाहता हूँ
supporting terrorism.
Closing.
No.
यू नो दिनेश जी को आज बहुत बुरा लगा क्योंकि अर्नब ने कोई बात उनसे कही। दिनेश जी अपना दर्द आपको समझ में आता है, एक बार हमारी मोटी बात समझ के देखिए। जो कश्मीरी पंडित घर से निकाल दिए गए, जिनकी बच्चियों के साथ रेप हुआ, उनका दर्द समझिए। जो
All right, closing the debate. I thank you all very much. You have your views, I have mine. All I'm saying today, we cannot afford to allow, in my view, people who have links to the Lashkar-e-Toiba, directly or indirectly, to be living on our soil. That's my view. You may disagree with me. I respect your views. You respect mine. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2, and I'll see you at 9 p.m. tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. Good night and goodbye.